Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your background in the Zoom PC app. This is for Windows specifically. So what you want to do is go to your profile icon on the top right. From there we're going to go to settings, and in settings we want to go to backgrounds and effects. Now we have a few options for touching up your appearance or adjusting the portrait lighting, but we want to go to virtual backgrounds. Now here in virtual backgrounds, we have a few options. We can blur the actual background of your recording, but you cannot blur the pictures out using this option. So then you have options of San Francisco or pictures like these. You can also choose between these videos. Alternatively, you can also upload your own videos or pictures by clicking on the plus icon and choosing either option. Those videos or pictures must be on your local drive. And you also have a green screen option. So if you do have a green screen, it'll adjust the image for that setting. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Next time you start up a Zoom meeting, you will have one of your preferred backgrounds or blurred effect. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing and liking the video. I'll see you in the next one.